Hello students, this is Teacher Ken. On today's exercise for all of my intermediates, we're going to practice making comparative questions. Now, the most important thing to pay attention to when making questions in English is going to be in the beginning. Remember that if I am making a statement with the verb to be, whether in present or in past, I take the verb to be and I move it to the beginning. And if I am using other actions, whether in present or in past, eat, work, have, did, worked, had, okay? In those cases, we're going to go ahead and use the auxiliary. The auxiliary do, does, or did. Now, since this is just a review exercise, I will not go much into detail, but remember, you are able to check my other lessons and the practice book completely for free on my YouTube channel. So, I am going to tell you a comparative statement. I will give you some time to think about it, and you're going to give me a question, a comparative question about rows. Okay? It doesn't matter who I am using in the question, or sorry, in my statement. Your question will be a comparative question about rows. So, for example, one comparative will be Bran is faster than Jared. Okay? Bran is faster than Jared. The question in this case would be, is Rose faster than Jared? Now, Mary was the brightest. Was Rose the brightest? Rob works more slowly on Mondays. Does Rose work more slowly on Mondays? Leah has the best answer. Does Rose have the best answer? She paid less money than you. Did Rose pay less money than you? We are the most efficient. Is Rose the most efficient? Okay, and let's have one more. This one, we're going to make the question with you. Okay? You are as valuable as them. Are you as valuable as them? Yes, you are. Don't forget to keep on practicing. See you next class. Leave your questions down in the comments, like, follow, subscribe, and remember, sharing knowledge is caring knowledge.